Ever wondered how to remove a customer from your mailing list? I'm Poch from Intentsionally Creative, the industry's leading liquor store niche marketing agency. Now, as you can see here, we're on the user dashboard. Now, you're going to want to go to the left side menu and go to the customers menu. Just click on this. And here you're going to see a list of all of the customers on your mailing list. Now you can either choose a customer from this list or you can search them from this box. But for purposes of this tutorial, we're just going to click on any one of the names here. There. Now on this page, you're going to want to look for customer notifications right here. And we're going to want to expand this menu. So just click the down arrow. And when you look at this area, you can see here push notifications and emails are checked. So if we want to remove this customer from the mailing list, we're going to want to uncheck push notifications and uncheck emails. If SMS was checked, we'd uncheck that as well. So we'd have to make sure that everything up here is unchecked, as well as these two boxes here, new arrivals and staff picks. So once that's all unchecked, just click submit. If you want to see more City Hive tips and tricks, join our newsletter in the link below. If you're a liquor store looking to grow your in-store or online sales quickly, visit our website at intentionallycreative.com.